fourth one, practical, we are going to perform write a HTML code to display the multiple heading in the multiple forms using the H1 to H6. We have to use the heading. Sometimes we need to bold particular text, particular word, particular sentence. We will use the heading tag. So the common, that is the HTML main root tag is there. We have to define root tag. Then heading, first part is called heading, that is head. Second part is called body, main part, where all the data will appear. Okay, it is ending tag with slash. And we want to provide the title. So then we will use the title of the web page. Title, it will be inside in a heading tag. We want to provide heading of in web page. Suppose web page. Now for the heading, in HTML support H1 to H6. H1 is the largest one. Then gradually we will move to the H6. H6, you will see its size will be decreased. Okay, for that we have to use H1 heading tag, and it is container tag. So we have to use the closing tag also. Okay, we have to use the closing tag also. I'm going to separate that all. This one H1 to H6, and I am going to put here a heading something. Suppose heading 1, and same up to heading 6 we will perform here. It is heading 2. It is heading 3. It's heading 4. It's heading 5. And last one, heading 6 is here. Okay, these 6 headings means HTML support only the 6 heading is there, H1 to H6. I'm going to execute this one. First we have to save in the 10th practical file HTML. We have to use desktop class 10 practical file, both 10th I HTML. I'm going to save that one. That has been saved. Going to execute that. I'm going to click here. H1 is the largest one, as H6 is the smallest one. So whatever heading will appear in the bold format. Something we want to appear as a bold, we will use the heading. तो हेडिंग टैग यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसा आप चाहते हैं वैसा आप यूज कर सकते हैं. इन दिस वन हेडिंग टैग देयर इज अलाइनमेंट आल्सो. ओनली वन एट्रीब्यूट इज देयर. केवल इसमें एक ही एट्रीब्यूट है, दैट इज अलाइन. अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट इज देयर, दैट इज फॉर अलाइनमेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू शो दैट वन. ये चीज है अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट. हाउ विल यूज द एट्रीब्यूट इनसाइड अ टैग. H1 tag, I am going to put here align equal to inside double quotation. Suppose I want to in center. Don't put center spelling CENTRE. Center का spelling CENTER. Maximum student they use the center spelling CENTRE. That will not execute. Okay, and one more in the third one. By default, it is a left hand side. we want to in right hand side align equal to double quotation right hand side we want, and in the fifth one by default left hand side is there, so that will appear in the left hand side. Again I am going to align into the center or left out, we can put here left. By default left is there, so there is only one alignment is there. I am going to save that one. It is showing here, you can see here it's asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbol is showing, means star symbol is showing that it has not been saved. ये अभी सेव नहीं हुआ है, तो सेव करने के लिए कंट्रोल एस शॉर्टकट यूज करते हैं, तो देखेंगे ये जो एस्टेरिस्क है दैट विल बी रिमूव. आप देख लीजिए यहाँ से सेव हो चुका. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीलोड और रिफ्रेश दैट वन. यू कैन सी दैट पर्टिकुलर फाइल, this one first one heading has been appear in the center of the web page. सेकेंड को हमने कुछ नहीं किया था, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं हेडिंग जो थर्ड था उसको हमने राइट साइड दिया था, तो राइट अलाइनमेंट इज देयर, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ 4-5 को भी हमने दिया था लेफ्ट, बट बाय डिफॉल्ट दैट इज द लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अपीयर इन द लेफ्ट. इट इज द फोर्थ practical heading H1 to H6. Okay,